Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn about an artist named James Rizzi. He was an American pop artist from Brooklyn, New York, born in 1950 and passed away in 2011. James was part of the pop art movement, which took traditional art and really kind of challenged what people thought of would and could be art. They took things in the popular culture around them and objects that surrounded them every day and tried to turn them into art to really make people question what art could be. Two of the big main characteristics of pop art were big, bold black lines and bright colors. When James went to university, he moved down to Florida to study art. Down there, he started to experiment with printing and painting and started to develop his very own unique style. Oftentimes in James' work, he would showcase his birthplace of New York City. These are called cityscapes. His paintings could look very childish because of all the big bright colors that he liked to use in them. And also he liked to personify or give inanimate objects like the buildings faces to make them look more human. In his paintings, you'll see that big, bright, bold colors characteristic of pop art. You'll see that buildings look like the people and people look like the buildings. He uses those big, bright, or big, bold black lines, also characteristic of pop art. And he also liked to put birds in throughout his paintings as well. The other characteristic of James Rizzi's work that is very common in all of his paintings were that he liked to completely fill in the backgrounds with different designs. Before he passed away in 2011, his designs and his distinct style became very popular, and he was asked to actually put his artwork on buildings in Germany. Here are some examples. You'll notice the big, bold colors and how he adds faces to these buildings just like in his paintings. Here are some more examples of his birds. These are going to be the inspiration for our very own artwork. Notice that each bird is a little bit different and has their own pose. He still uses big, bright, bold colors, whether they're in the background or on the birds themselves. We can also see the big, black, bold lines that help outline the birds and shape their personalities. All right, I hope that was some good inspiration and good ideas for your very own artwork that we're going to start next.